what's up? It's Yifei, and you can see today is the Monday again. So we actually be making some slime. All the things you need is some soap. Okay, you can use any soap, but it have to be like this container, like not the soap that you use like just you can hold it, you know. And you need some body lotion. Different type lotion is fine, but hopefully you can use body lotion. That will be great. You need some white glue, clear glue, elevator, you know, a spoon or plastical, like you know, something to mix with, and you need a little container. And I put my food coloring in there already. So yeah, and let's just get this started. First, let me just get some things to put on this because this one is very wet. I am going to put on this piece of paper over here. Okay, so I am going to put on here, and then I am going to get a little container, open it, oh my gosh. Okay, something like this. I got my little container, and now is the time for me to put the, I am going to put the white glue and the white glue and the clear glue first in my little container, you know. Okay. You don't have to use the whole bottle of the white glue, but this is just like I don't have any much, so it's very hard for me to get some out, you know. So I am going to try my best to squeeze it in. I think I had to buy some more white glue, I guess. Oh no, why is this not working? Hopefully I can get some of it out. Okay, and this time you can get all the supplies. And I am very sorry that we didn't do our the desk one, because I know a lot of you don't have cardboard, so it's not fair for me. Okay, so I think my white glue is out, so I can just only use clear glue, but it's okay if I only have clear glue. Okay, open it, and I am going to pour some in here. Now will be already enough. Here. There. Something like that. I'm going to close it. And then I am going to put my soap in there. There. Put my soap in there. And then I am going to put my lotion. Body lotion, I mean. Okay. And we need to mix and mix. Something like this. And now is the time for me to put the elevator. So we are actually making a milky slime. It's actually actually a slime that I know is very good to make and easy, of course, to make. And I think it will be great. See, it's already turning a slime. I mean, a milky slime. See, I got this beautiful slime out with me. Oh my gosh, it's very milky. Huh. Look at this, guys. It's turning a slime, but I cannot get out. There. There. Okay, so I got my slime out. And just wait, see, I got it. And take the rest out. There. Finally, see guys? This slime is actually the best slime that I have ever known, but my hand is a little bit dirty, but it's okay. I still can play with it. Look, it's turning into a milky slime, guys. This slime is the best. I think I should mix them more to get more slime out of there. See? This slime is the best. Look at this, guys. It's just like so pretty, huh? And I am going to put in the soap if it gets dry. And you don't have to if you don't want to anymore. But go for it if you really want them to get much more softer and better, you know. So I am putting in there for a couple more seconds. And look at this, guys. How cool is this? This actually turned into a perfect slime. It's very milky, and yeah, it's not sticky at all. And look at the threads. How cool is this? Look at this threads. This is the best slime that I have ever made. So the back. Ooh, it falls on my desk. Okay, I am going to put this in the container for a couple more seconds to get the soap, you know, the soap and lotion. And let me just close my adapter. Soap and lotion on them to get much more better slime. And yeah, I think this will be working. Okay, look guys. Can you believe this? It's just like the normal, perfect slime that I got. Look, squeeze it in, you will get another perfect slime. And it's nothing like the pen. You can make how many that you want, unless you don't let this get dry. And this slime is actually very perfect, and it's actually very milky. And if you put clay on that, it will get a butter slime. It will turn out to be a butter slime, I mean. And you can play with it anytime you want. And you can just put it back in your soap and body lotion container to stay there and not get very dry, you know. Or you may put it in a Ziploc bag. That will be working either. But I think this one is totally awesome. It's actually very clear and soft, but you would be noticed in the second day or the third day I will get a little bit hard. So put this slime, if in the second day or the third day get dry a little bit hard, you have to put in the water and leave it there for about 2 days, and you will get another slime ready for you. So this slime, it's totally awesome. And if you play a little bit more, on that day it will get dry already. So, but it's okay. But look at this slime. It's totally awesome. It's not more sticky at all. It's not sticky. It's just like a milky slime, guys. So really hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, post location, so you will never miss any more fun school video. I love you guys and cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow for our art. So toodaloo kangaroo, bye bye. I am trying to close the video.